Let me show you how to use Runway ML as fast as possible. Whether you want to create new portraits of yourself, like me as a spaceman, or create marketing images of your product, like this dog holding dog treats, or create AI videos, whatever it may be, let's find out in this video. So with Runway ML, we can do three major things. We can either generate a video, generate an image, or generate audio. There's a ton of other tools we can leverage here, but let me just show you the two major ones that you'll probably use in your workflow, which is going to be generating a video and an image. Now, right now, Runway is going to give you the option to use the chat feature. I prefer to use the feature through here. So I'm going to say generate image. Now, when generating image, it's like any AI model where we can simply ask for what we want. So for example, here, we'll say a unicorn in a sports car going down the highway. So once you put in your prompt here, we can change the aspect ratio. So maybe we want to do 3:4. The number of images outputted on one shot. So we'll do one image for now. The quality, we'll do 1080p and hit generate. So now that we have our nice little image of a unicorn in what looks like a Corvette possibly, we have other options right here. So one, we can either reference the image in a chat. So I have the image in the chat here, and maybe we want to add something to it. So I could say add a party hat to the unicorn, generate again. And there we go. We got our unicorn with a nice little party hat now, same image. Another thing we could do is actually take the original image we generated and put it to a video, input video. So for example, I could say, have the car driving down the highway with the unicorn, generate. Now, while we let that generate, another tool you can use, and this all works in parallel, which is really cool, is our ability to get variations. So maybe we're like, you know what, this kind of looks good, but I need slight variation on that party hat. I can hit vary. And then when I select that, what you'll notice is that the variation it adds is simply a bridge above the freeway. This is kind of more open-ended to let the AI have discretion on what your new image would look like when you simply click vary. While we let the video load, one really cool thing about Runway is it's free to start, and they give you a generous amount of credits, around 400 credits. So I'll make sure I leave a link in the description down below for Runway ML for you to try out yourself. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but if they do want to sponsor me, check me out. Let's get back to the video. And there we go. Here is our unicorn going down the freeway. So we got a video, we got an image, we got variation, and we got a unicorn driving in a Corvette with a party hat on some freeway. Nice. Let's try a new chat. So another really cool thing we can do here in Runway is add images for reference. And when adding a reference image, it can really be anything. But for example, I grab a portrait of myself here, and it will use this as context for the chat. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, let's try one. So I can say you as a surfer on the beach. It's going to use this image as context, and I can go ahead and generate. And there we go. That is me as a surfer on the beach, although the surfboard is going through my body, which is kind of crazy. But as you can see, it got very similar to my face, and I've even seen better outputs at this, so I'd probably vary it a little bit, but use images as context if you want to kind of push through. So the other major feature here is generate by video. So what generate video allows you to do is provide a reference image for it to start at, and then it will carry on. When it comes to settings here, we simply have the option of aspect ratio. So maybe we want to make a TikTok by 9:16, the length of the video. So we'll go with 10 seconds here, and then whatever the reference image is. So we can say select asset or create an image. So if I grab this image of a polar bear here, let's try something. So we can try have the polar bear get up and start dancing like a human and hit generate. And then once your video is done, we can simply click this. Let's check it out. See the polar bear does some dancing. Okay. All right. Yeah. There we go. Hey. We got a nice little polar bear dancing. If we want to make some changes, we could restyle it. We could use a frame for an input on another video if you want to kind of clip it together. We could go really far here. We could actually upscale this to 4K if we chose to do so. We can trim the video. It's almost like an editor within the software itself. But the big one here that I think everyone cares about is that you can download it right there. Let me show you the last couple things about Runway that you should know before we get going here. So first thing for you to know is that every single generation will cost credits. And these are the credits up here. You can obviously get more paying more, but keep in mind that this is a credit-based system. So every generation will cost you some credits. Furthermore, if you plan on using a lot of assets, go to assets here, private, and you can simply mass upload here of a bunch of different images you may want to use throughout your workflow. Now, what's really cool is if you want to see some stuff actually created using this technology, go to Runway Watch, and you can see a bunch of cool stuff here. So there you go. You got the fundamental basics of how to use Runway. Get going, make some cool videos, maybe some cool portraits. Maybe you don't want to be a surfer. Maybe you want to be a snowboarder. Switch it up. Make sure to leave a like. It's completely free, and I'll see you in the next Runway ML